Alright, we got a Linux ECM blower motor that is not coming on and it is causing the coil to freeze up. So I'm going to show y'all how to test one to see if your motor is bad. So right now I got a jumper wire from R to G that is going to energize the fan. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to where it says common or at the C, and then you're going to test the speed that is going to be energized. And in this case it's going to be the red wire, because if you come over here to fan, the red wire is on fan. So we're going to be testing the fan, and if it's receiving 24 volts and it's not coming on, it tells you the motor is bad. About to turn it on and energize it to show you it is getting 24 volts. As you can see, it is getting the voltage to turn on, but it is not turning on, indicating it is bad. That's how you check. And if you was to want to check a different speed, like let's say cooling, well, hey, we go over here and we know the cooling wire right here is the black one. So instead we would test from common to black to see if we have 24 volts or whatever speed you want to check. And that's how you tell if there's something wrong with the motor. And of course you always want to test to see if you have high voltage from line to neutral, and you should always have high voltage present no matter what. Okay, thank you. There's a quick check on just to show you how to do it. It's on line and neutral. You should have 120 volts. You see I do. So if you got 120 volts and 24 volts and your motor's not coming on, tells you the motor's bad. If you don't have the voltage, then it's most likely your control board or your module. Thank you. Installed new ECM blower motor. It wasn't working. See, it's now working again. Please like and subscribe to my channel.